Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived an old wise man named Eli. Eli was known for his simple way of life and the profound wisdom he shared with everyone he met. One day, a curious young boy named Theo approached Eli and asked, "What is the secret to a happy life, wise one?" Eli smiled and beckoned Theo to join him under the shade of a mighty oak tree. As they sat on the soft grass, Eli reached into his pocket and pulled out a small, smooth stone. "Life, my dear Theo, is like this stone," he began. "It may seem unremarkable at first, but it holds the key to understanding." He handed the stone to Theo and continued, "Hold it in your hand and tell me what you feel." Theo examined the stone, feeling its cool surface and weight.
"It's just a stone, old man. Nothing special."
Eli chuckled, "Ah, but that's where you're mistaken. Life, much like this stone, may appear ordinary, but it's the way you perceive and cherish it that makes it extraordinary." As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the village, Eli concluded, "Remember, Theo, life is a collection of moments. Cherish the good, learn from the bad, and savor the beauty of simplicity. Embrace the ordinary, for it is in the everyday moments that you'll find the true magic of life."